Howdy everyone, I'm Amit from Mail Smartly. Today in this video, you will learn step-by-step method how you can highlight emails received in your inbox based on their age. So currently I'm using Microsoft Outlook 365 as a disclosure and I am on the mail segment. First of all, you have to click on the view tab available on the ribbon. And the first segment, which is current view, you have to simply click on the change view drop down list. You will see three options here: compact, single, and preview. And you have to add your customized view based on the emails you want to separate or highlight in a specific range. So simply click on manage view. You will see manage view dialog box. All the three segments are available here. Now you have to create a new one. So simply hit new. You have to name it name of new view. So you have to name the new view. So I type based on age. Now type of view, I have to select table because all my emails are arranged in a table. And on the bottom, can you use on this folder visible to everyone, this folder visible only to me, and last one is all mails and post folders. By default, this is selected. I don't want to change it. Simply hit OK. Now the advanced view setting dialog box appears for the based on age, the new option you have created. Simply hit conditional formatting. The conditional formatting dialog box appears. Here you have to again create a new one to set a rule. So I simply hit add here. Now again I have to name it. So I enter 10 days to 20 days older. Now the next step is I have to click on the font. Now there are lots of options: font, font style, size. I don't want to change it. I don't want to add any effects either. So the main point is I want to highlight and separate those emails with a color. So I simply select red, which is beautiful color, and simply hit OK. Now the next option is conditions. When I click on it, I will see few tabs here with lot of conditions. I can add multiple conditions here. Now currently I have to select advanced. Here define more criterias. Click on this drop down. The first option is frequent use fields. These are those fields which we regularly use in Microsoft Outlook. So these are listed here. So I have to select received. You can also manually type the word received here. Now the next option is conditions. When you click on the drop down, there are tons of conditions, but I want to select between. Now, why I have select between? Because I want to enter the value which is 10 days and 20 days. I want the emails which are older than 10 days to 20 days will be highlighted. So I have to enter 10 days ago and 20 days ago. So I just typed it. Now I have to click add to list. When I click add to list, this inputs will be added in the find items that match these criteria. This is very important step. Now simply hit OK. Click OK once again until all the dialog box closes. Now see, I have entered the input. Now I have to change the view so I can check out those emails which are separated or highlighted. So again, click on the view tab. In the first section, current view, click on change view. Now see, previously I have only three options, but currently I have added my customized view segment based on their age. When I click on it, all the emails are already in the inbox. There is no change. When I scroll down a little bit, you will see few emails are changed its color. That means my conditional formatting method is working. Now I want to cross check it. So this email received in my inbox on 3rd of May 2023 and today is 14th of May 2023. That means this email received 10 days ago. So it is highlighted. Now all the emails when I scroll down are highlighted. These emails are under 10 to 20 days. Now see, the last one is 25th of April 2023. That means this email received 20 days ago That means this email received 20 days ago from the current date. And the next email is 20 April 2023. That means this email received beyond the 20th day. That means in my conditional formatting, I have only want to highlight those emails which are received within 10 days to 20 days. So that way you can change the criteria and you can highlight those emails received in your inbox. Some people used to highlight those emails received a month ago or a week ago or even a year ago. So this is the very beautiful and smart method to highlight those emails. If you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe this YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.